Hello friends. Welcome to my kitchen. 2 large chicken breasts. Chicken fillet lean protein, rich in vitamins B3 and B6, supports muscles, boosts immunity, and promotes heart health. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. Mince the chicken breast as finely as possible. Chicken breast is one of the leanest protein sources, containing very little fat. Subscribe to my channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. Put the meat in a bowl. Add 1 egg. Add salt. Add black pepper. Throw in some dried garlic and dried thyme. Throw in some smoked paprika. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Parsley neutralizes garlic odor. Chew a sprig and your breath will be fresher. Add 1 tablespoon of flour and 2 teaspoons of mayo. Mix everything well and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rice. Rice, source of energy, easy to digest, rich in B vitamins and minerals, supports healthy digestion. Add salt and cook until done. One carrot. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is good for your eyesight. Butter and vegetable oil and olive oil. Sauté the carrot. Carrots are sweet, they have more sugar than some fruits. One onion. Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds, improve metabolism and support heart health. Onions can make you cry, but they also boost immunity. The ancient Egyptians revered onions for their circular shape and strong smell. Add the onion to the carrot. One bell pepper. Bell peppers also contain vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which support eye health and reduce inflammation. Sweet peppers come in different colors, each with a unique flavor. Add the pepper to the carrot and onion. Please subscribe to my channel. Add salt and black pepper. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Add the cooked rice to the vegetables. Fry everything a little. Dill. Dill improves digestion and has a mild sedative effect. Add the dill to the rice with the vegetables. Chicken breast is one of the leanest and most protein-rich foods. Chicken breast cooks quickly, just 10-15 minutes in the pan or oven. Versatile meat that works well in soups, salads, and casseroles. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work. Different parts of the chicken have different nutrients. The breast has very little fat, and the thigh is high in iron. Two eggs. $50 grams flour, approximate 1/3 cup. $100 grams breadcrumbs, approximate 1 cup. Coat the fillet with flour first. Dip the fillet in the beaten egg. Dredge it in breadcrumbs. Vegetable oil and olive oil. Fry the on both sides until golden brown, about 5 minutes per side, depending on the thickness. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Two teaspoons of tomato paste and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Three tablespoons of vegetable oil and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add some parsley. Add salt and black pepper. Mix everything well. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new videos. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.